Hi, my name's Darren Hunima. I'm the Director of Training for PureClean and an IICRC board member. Just finishing up one of the best shows that I've been a part of as far as the RIA is concerned here in West Palm Beach, Florida. If you weren't here, you missed a really incredible event. I've been a part of the RIA, ASCR since 1989. When I originally got into this industry as an independent business owner, I've been involved for over 50 years. This industry has really come together. What used to be fractured has now come together based on an effort to unify the industry, to focus on the issues when it comes to challenges business owners are being faced with and how to address those issues through advocacy, governmental relations, working with carriers, all kinds of challenges that people are dealing with. They were addressed at this year's conference, last year's conference, and we hope that you make plans to be a part of what's coming forward, because we can't do it without you. And as an IICRC board member and a director of training for PureClean, we're seeing what happens when you have numbers that come together with one voice, with one message, and challenge the things that we see that are affecting your business. And so we hope that you'll make plans to attend next year's event in Savannah, Georgia for 2026. I believe it's around the same time of year. And join the RIA, join the movement, join the change, and help us become one voice by being a part of the RIA.